My dear class 10th students, welcome to my channel Study for Education. I hope you are all well. Your important videos link you can get to this video's description box. Today I discuss with you ABTA test paper page 46 Life Science English version. Group A. First question, which is the trophic hormone of the following? Right answer option B, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. 2. Anti-ketogenic hormone is right option A, insulin. 3. Question number 3. The number of remiges feather in a bird is right answer A, 23. Question number 4. The stimulus of geotropic movement is right option D, gravity. 5. The amount of neuroglia in human nervous system is option B, 90%. 6. In a cell cycle, DNA synthesis takes place in option D, S phase. 1.7. The pollination agent of mango tree is option B, insect. 1.8. Alternation of generation occurs in option C, Dryopteris. 1.9. The most developed engrafting process is option C, grafting. 1.10. The main growth phase of human being is option B, adolescence. 1.11. The inherent process of hemophilia is alike to option D, color blindness. 1.12. The genotype number of F2 generation in dihybrid test is option C, 9. 1.13. Which one is not hereditary disease? Right answer option A, anemia. Next, 14. The percentage of production of hybrid tall pea plant after cross pollination in between two hybrid tall pea plant is right answer option C, 50%. 1.15. How many type of gamete is being formed from capital Y, small y, capital R, small r genotype? Right answer A, 4. Next, group B. Fill in the blanks. 2.1. The yellow spot situated in retina of eye. 2.2. The meeting spot of two neurons is synapse. 2.3. The cell cycle stops in G0 phase. 2.4. The chromosome number of a species remain constant in meiosis, cell division. 2.5. The another name of checkerboard is right answer Patenborgo. The total number of gene of a species regarded as gene pool. True or false? 2.7. The cell body of neuron is neurocytone. This is true. 2.8. The cranial nerves of human being is 12. Wrong. 2.9. The another name of amitosis is akinesis. Wrong. 10. The number of allosome of human being is 44. Wrong. Discoverer of a test cross was Mendel. Right. True. And 12. Chromosome Y bearing disease is hemophilia. Wrong answer, because chromosome X bearing disease is hemophilia. Next, match the pair among A and B column. 2.13 13 হচ্ছে বেসিক হরমোন। অপশান ডি কাইনিন। হরমোন সিক্রেটস ফ্রম ইনসেক্ট বডি। ই ফেরোমোন। 2.15 প্যাকাইটিন সাবফেস। F crossing over genetic characters are A genotype. Elimination of androecium from complete flower. B emasculation. Small duration phase of cell division. C anaphase. 2.19 which word is unfamiliar one? Color blindness, myopia, hemophilia and thalassemia. Right answer myopia. 2.20 what is locus? What is locus? A locus is the specific physical location of a gene or other DNA sequence on a chromosome. Next question number 21. Who was the discoverer of genetic code? Right answer Dr. Horogobindo Khorana. Put the right word in the next question 2.22. Put the right word in the blank of second pair. Pituitary, endocrine gland, salivary gland. Next answer will be exocrine gland. 23. From which Latin word the term hormone has arisen? Right answer hormone. 2.24 Name one gaseous hormone in a plant. Right answer ethylene. 2.25 Find out the familiar word attached with another's three. Entomophily, ornithophily, zoophily and anthropophily. And right answer zoophily. And 2.26 Name the membranous covering of brain. Right answer meninges. Thank you.